The Welsh word for spring is Gwanwyn. Gwanwyn. In Cornish, it's Gwenton. But in Breton, another sister language, it's Neves Amser, which means new weather, a new signal in the weather. But Gwanwyn is what we say in Welsh. And poetically, some suggest that the word Gwanwyn is linked to the idea that the light or the sunlight is this gentle, weak light, because the Welsh word for weak, of course, is Gwan. And then gwyn being white as a colour, but also signifying the sunlight. So a gwanwyn, the idea that the sun has this gentle type of light in early spring. And it is, if you look today, the sun is wonderfully gentle in the sky. So yes, next time you talk about this lovely weather and spring in Wales, don't use the word spring, use gwanwyn. Mae'n wanwyn, it's springtime. Gwanwyn.